Paul again here from EMD. Just want to show you where I'm up to with this AC foam repair and evaporator, and a lot of stuff was replaced on this 996, the yellow one there. LED lights on this 911SC here. Anyway, let's have a look. Everything's assembled now. So as you see, I've got two parts assembly. So this is the part, that's the controller part, and this is your fan part. The fan part is where your fan is. Controller part's where all your controls are, your flaps. So you got this flap here, so the main flap, the secondary flap, and the top one here is controlled by that one there. Let's have a look anyway. So that's all done here, as you can see. Brand new one there, brand new one in there, the foam here on both sides. And if you go across the other way, the main one here on both sides here, all done nice and neat. So that's what they should have done from day one. And then here as well, so I've got a brand new motor here. That one there I've got the customer to replace, because that's the one's really hard to get to. You can't get to it when everything is assembled. But the bottom one here, if they do fail, you can always get to it. It's underneath the actual airbox. So got a new TX valve as well, brand new TX valve here, brand new fan regulator here as well, brand new sensor on the side. Wait up, let me lift it up. Brand new sensor here as well, brand new sensor, and a brand new control arm, actuator here as well. That actuates that flap here on top, and the one inside there that I just put the new foam. I'm not sure if you can see it from underneath, but if you look in there, see the foam there? That's the one I repaired on both sides, and that's for your fresh air. So you can close the fresh air recycle. Yeah, so everything's done here. So, and one more sensor somewhere, little one. Let's have a look. Where is it? Small one that I replaced. That one there as well. That's a brand new one as well. Okay. And some of the plastic arms brand new as well. So all I'm gonna do now is I've got to assemble these together. So pretty much put it together like this. They're held on by clips. So all around here, see those here? They're all held on by clips all around. Excuse me. So I'm pretty much ready to next week. This is Saturday. Next week I'll start the assembly. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.